Good morning, first graders. Welcome to Module 1, Lesson 2 of Eureka Math. In today's lesson, we're still going to be looking at number bonds, but when we're looking at our dots now, we can organize them. We can find different number bonds now in today's lesson. So it's going to be a little bit different, a little bit more fun for you and exciting to find different ways of solving our number bonds. So for example, you might see a problem like this today where you can find different ways to solve this number bond. Remember, we're finding the sum, which is here, which is the total amount of dots that we have. So for example, I see here 5, right? It looks like a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put my 5 in this number bond, and I can see easily that I have 1 dot left over, which is here as in 1, and my total amount is 6. However, this is just one way to solve this number bond. I can definitely do this in a different way that a lot of students are going to be able to see. I can connect these 3 and say that I have 3, and I see that I have these 3 dots here. I have another 3, and when we add these 2, it's going to make 6 again. So in today's lesson, you are going to be able to solve different ways to solve our number bonds. Have fun today, and I'm excited to start this lesson with you.
Hello, first graders. We're going to be working on lesson 2 of our problem set. And again, we are looking at different items and using number bonds in order to find the sum. For example, if I have 2 and 2, the sum would make 4. Okay, 2 plus 2 makes 4. However, we're going to be looking at different items and creating number bonds again. Now, what's really, really cool about this is we're going to start working on 7 and 8. And here we have a lot of different dots that we can see. And you can organize these dots in a lot of different ways to find the sum. And you can follow my instruction, or you can kind of do it on your own, as long as you find the sum or the total amount of dots. So for me, I already see a group of 4. So I really like that combination there. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 right away. So I'm going to put 4, okay? And then for my next combination of dots, I already see a group of 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, 4 and 5, I need to find the sum. So in order to do this, you can definitely count using your fingers, or you can count by counting each dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 is our sum, the total amount of dots that we have for number 7. Okay. Now, for this next problem, 8, we are going to do the same thing. What kind of combinations of the dots do you see to make the sum? Okay. For me, I'm going to do one way, and I want you can do another if you would like. This is really up to you. We can be creative here in the amount we find. For me, I already see that this group is a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And the rest of the dots that I have, we can look at as 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, What I want you to do, though, is I want you to find the sum. Okay? Go ahead and count the dots to find the sum of 5 and 4. Remember, the sum is the total amount of dots that we have added. Okay? Very nice. I'm going to move down to problem 9 for our last part of today's problem. And remember, you can pause this video at any time to catch up. Okay? Now, we need to find how many pieces of fruit do you see? We are going to write at least 2 different number bonds. That's why we have 1 and 2 number bonds. And we're going to show the different ways to break apart the total amount. Okay? So first, let's find the sum of the total amount of fruit that we have. All right, so let's do that first. We're going to work a little differently here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I'm going to put 9 and 9. All right, so that is the sum. That's the total amount of fruit that we have. However, what they want is 2 different ways to add the sum to make 9. Okay, so let's do this. I definitely see this here as a group, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And what is left? I have this group of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 6 plus 3 make 9. Sum is 9. Now what I want you to do on this last part, can you do a different number bond here? Can you do a different number bond than finding a 6 and a 3? All right, I'd like for you to finish this last problem out, finding a different number bond. Great job today. This was another fun lesson in using a number bond to find the sum.